What is token system and how to implement it? Does your child struggle to follow instructions, stay seated, or complete tasks? What if I told you there is a simple, powerful strategy that can increase motivation, improve behavior, and make learning fun? Hi, I'm Jess, an ABA therapist and an RBT. Today, we will talk about token system reinforcement, one of the most effective tools in managing challenging behaviors in children with autism. By the end of this video, you will learn what a token system is, why it works, and step-by-step how to implement it effectively. What is a token system? A token system, also called a token economy, is a strategy where a child earns tokens like stars, stickers, or points for good behavior. These tokens are later exchanged for a reward. Simple formula: behavior, token, reward. Why token system works? In ABA, behavior increases when it is reinforced. A token system works because it provides immediate feedback. It builds motivation. It teaches delayed gratification. It makes learning structured and predictable. Instead of waiting for a big reward, the child earns small wins along the way. Step-by-step implementation. Step 1. Identify target behavior. Choose one clear behavior. Examples: answering questions, sitting properly, following instructions, completing tasks. Example: answer WH questions correctly. Step 2. Choose your tokens. Select something visual and motivating. Examples: stars, stickers, smileys, chips. Keep it simple and visible. Step 3. Create a token board. Example: 5 stars. The goal here: child must earn 5 stars, then they get reward. Start small first, 3 to 5 stars. Step 4. Select a strong reward. This is very important. Ask, what does the child love? Examples: snacks, iPads, toys, games, music, or playground. The reward must be highly motivating. Step 5. Explain the system clearly. Use simple language. Example: if you get 5 stars, you get iPad. Make it clear and predictable. Step 6. Deliver token immediately. If the child answers correctly, give token right away and then praise. Great answering! Immediate reinforcement equals effective learning. Step 7. Exchange tokens for reward. When board is full, tell the child, "You got all your stars. Time for your reward." Deliver reward immediately. Real-life examples. Example 1. Reading session. Child answers questions, child gets 1 star. After 5 stars, child gets iPad. Result: increased participation. Example 2. Following instructions. Therapist instructed child, "Sit down," child complies, child gets star. After 3 stars, child gets snack. Result: better compliance. Example 3. At-home routine. Mother told child, "Clean up toys," child cleans up toys, child gets star. After 4 stars, child watches cartoon. Result: independence improves. Avoid common mistakes. Giving tokens too late. Using weak reward. Setting too many tokens. Not being consistent. Not explaining the system. Consistency is key. Advanced tip. As the child improves, we don't want them to depend on tokens forever. Gradually, increase number of tokens. Reduce rewards. Shift to praise and natural reinforcement. Token systems are powerful because they turn learning into a motivating experience. Structured, visual, effective. Remember, small rewards build big behaviors. That's it for now. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe for more evidence-based ABA strategies. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.